Human Appeal, we believe the rebuilding of Syria begins in the homes of ordinary families. After being displaced by conflict, and now 2 devastating earthquakes, many Syrians remain without shelter. But thanks to your donations, we're already moving 1,000 Syrians into long-term new-build homes in our new town, Al-Zahor. Each home we deliver to 1 Syrian family helps 2 Syrian families at this catastrophic time. Because every new home we deliver to a Syrian family frees up vital emergency accommodation for another. With your support, we can expand this important project and provide even more new homes to Syrian families in desperate need. Please, don't forget Syrians. Help rebuild Syria. Support our Homes for Syria appeal now